Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click in the My Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your name. So when you click on your name here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, you just keep going down and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open with us. So it's going to take a time. Then you click here on visibility here and you come to this list here. Then you go down and you come here to profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. Just click on it and you can here to profile visibility outside LinkedIn. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.